Assign loads, soil properties. In MkaPHP, you can perform a foundation design. To do this, you need to define the soil properties. Let's learn how to do this in MkaPHP. Let's open a previous model. File menu, open project. I am going to open portal frame model. Our model is loading. And our model is loaded. To define the soil properties, you need to click Loading tab. Then you have to click Soil Properties button. This menu is divided into 3 parts. First part, you need to define the soil properties. The second part, you need to define the ground concrete properties. And the last one is you need to define the floor cover. Soil properties depends on the soil where your building is settled. Soil friction angle, cohesion, unit weight of soil, saturated unit weight of soil, and ground water table are available. If the ground concrete exists, you need to define the ground concrete properties. Surcharge load, concrete thickness, concrete grade, wire mesh steel grade, wire mesh type, you have to define. And also if a floor cover available, you can select a floor cover. Then you need to press OK. Now program ready to make a foundation analysis. Thanks for listening. See you next lesson.